Hello all, this is Madhav and welcome to my channel. And in this video I'm going to tell you about internships, and all those internships are provided by the website called insidesherp.com. So it is a popular website. At present, due to lockdown, they are providing many offers. So some are paid and some are totally free. The three major things they provide are workshops, virtual experiences, and also courses. And at the end of all those things, you will get a free certificate. You can also include in your resume, or you can also include in your LinkedIn website, your profile. So it will be very useful for you. So in this particular video, I will tell you step by step process how to get registered into internships and virtual experiences. There is a difference between virtual experiences and internship. So in this website, particularly regarding internships, they're all short term internships. They're not long. If you they're just not more than 2 weeks. They can last for only for 2 weeks, so you can easily finish them off. And you can get internships from various fields like mechanical, law. If you are from a BTech background, then you will easily able to do all those things. So everything is available there. And internships also include from mechanical background, communication background, and also the law background. And if you're also doing a job, then you can also enroll into it. I'm going to show you how to register for these internships. Let's go. Inside Sherpa, so click on the first link here, and I will also provide you the link in the description also. You can go through that link, and you can see here it's in a wonderful UI. So it's showing my dashboard as I have already logged here. So if you want to see how to log in, then just log out and log in with your Gmail account, or you can also create your own account here, your wish. But here I also have Google account, so I will log in through that. So after logging here, you will get to see your dashboard, and you can see I have already enrolled to BCG Strategy Consulting Virtual Experience, and also for Microsoft Engineering for undergraduates. So these are two which I am already doing. So if you want to enroll for this, then you have to scroll it down here. Here you can see different courses and virtual experiences here. So there are all top companies you can see here. JP Morgan, BCG. BCG is actually famous for your accounting things. So I already completed this thing. It's very good. And you can, and by scrolling more down, you can see the here law virtual experience programs also. You can enroll into it. So etc. So after enrolling it, type on that. Sorry, not type. Click on that. So after clicking on that, you have to register further. It will take a moment, and now it will ask for your the basic biodata. But here I already provided the biodata, so it's directly taking to my internship page. So this is a small process. It's not going to last for more than 2 days. It will be very fast. You can do in one day itself. And you will have a virtual internship, means you will have some experiences that how Microsoft works, and how the routine they'll be following. So you can get to know from this website. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you are new to my page, then please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, please share to as many as possible. So thank you, stay tuned, bye bye.